cut to the chase. You know why you're here.
And you know why we're here.
And if you're here, it's because you know the Juice and Toya free 4-week challenge is back.
Yes, wait. You said free, right?
I said it's free.
I don't think, say it for the people in the waiting.
No, yeah, it's free.
It's free. You have nothing to lose but so much to gain during this challenge. Hey, tell them why.
So if you've done our challenges before, first of all, welcome back. You know that each challenge we like to come bigger and better than the one before.
Turn it up.
But if you're new here, you are in for a treat. Our challenges are always so much fun, and as he said, there is so much to gain. And first things first, this challenge is for everyone. And seriously, everyone. It doesn't matter where you are in your fitness journey, your fitness level, what equipment, if any, you have to work with. We've designed this to where anyone who wants to participate can participate.
Exactly, and it doesn't matter what your goals are either. Whether you're looking to build some strength, build some muscle, shred a little body fat, you know, build some confidence, or build a routine. This is gonna give you a full routine that you can follow for 4 weeks. But we're gonna make sure at the end of this 4 weeks, you're gonna reach that goal that you set for yourself.
Exactly, and our main goal here is for everyone that starts this 4-week challenge to leave the 4-week challenge feeling like a better version of themselves.
For sure, so we're gonna get right to it and show you how this program is gonna work. So this program is made up mostly of our YouTube workouts. So like we mentioned before, we have something for everybody. So we have strength workouts, HIIT workouts, cardio workouts. We're gonna give you some active rest and recovery days just to make sure you're recovering properly. And at the end of every week, especially if you've done our challenges before, you know we like to finish every week with some sort of challenge to make sure you're pushing your body to new limits.
Something we're super excited for in this challenge is we have added in some dumbbell workouts. All right, so this is something you guys requested and asked for in the previous challenges. So we wanted to make sure to get those in there for you guys. However, if you don't have equipment or dumbbells, don't worry. This is still a completely body weight challenge. We are just going to be adding in those dumbbell workouts for those of you who do have dumbbells, or maybe your goal is to build some strength or some muscles. We have you covered. So when we say this is for everyone, we mean it. We've got you covered.
Yeah, and the dumbbells aren't necessary. You can still see some great results with doing the bodyweight program. So don't worry about that. But if that's not enough, each and every week we're coming with at least 2 new workouts, all right? So we're not just giving you old content, we're coming with some new content as well, just to keep you excited and keep you on your toes to make sure you get through these 4 weeks.
So we are gonna give you everything that you need to set you up for success, a program every single week for you to follow, what workouts and exercises you guys need to be doing. But if that's not enough to keep you excited for this free 4-week challenge, we also have over $1,000 in prizes given out each week.
What else?
Also, we're gonna be giving you guys some pop-up prizes. So we're gonna be giving out some merch. We're gonna be giving out some OBLA equipment, a ton of things. We'll be watching you throughout the entire challenge just to keep you on your toes.
So let's get into the details, all right? The challenge is going to start Monday, August 2nd, and then the challenge is going to end Sunday, August 29th, of course, with a live workout with yours truly, all right? So the challenge sign up is open right now, so go check that out in the link below, or you can go to onebodyla.com/4-week challenge.
Yes, so the last day to sign up is July 31st, 11:59 p.m. PST. Sunday, August 1st, we will not be taking any more signups. So make sure you get signed up. The link is open now. You've got plenty of time. Don't think about it.
Just do it.
Just do it. All right, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna get it done. I'm just gonna do it. And on the sign up page, you will also find all of the instructions on how to enter the prizes. So if you're doing this challenge hoping to win some prizes, you'll find all of the information on that there as well. All right. Every Sunday, we will be sending you guys the weekly schedule. So Sunday, August 1st, you should be getting an email from us with the week 1 schedule, and that will go to the email that you use to sign up. So make sure it's an email that you have access to, because that's where we will be sending the program each week.
For sure, and we're also gonna drop some resources down below, especially if you were looking to add some weight to the program. If you wanna add some dumbbells, we're gonna drop some resources to make sure you have that. But like we mentioned before, it's completely unnecessary. We've seen some crazy results with the body weight program, but that's just extra if you need it.
Exactly.
All right, so to sum this up, We are going to give you all the resources that you need to be successful. All you have to do is show up.
That's it.
And we've done this challenge at least, what, 4 times since we started this channel. And the biggest advice that we can give you is, number 1, stay consistent. Consistency is going to give you the best chance at seeing results over the course of these 4 weeks.
Of any kind.
Exactly. But not only that, make sure that each and every workout is quality.
Yep.
All right. You want to make sure that you're giving your all during every single workout. You're going to be tired some days. You're going to be sleepy. You're going to be sore. But if you can just push through those workouts, it's going to pay off at the end of the 4 weeks.
Oh yeah.
So quality times consistency is going to give you the best chance.
And that's it. And like we said at the beginning of the video here, we want everyone to leave this 4-week challenge just feeling better about themselves than when they started. So if you're staying consistent, again, no matter what your goal is, that is the best way to reach it, okay? And we've done these challenges in the past. The most fun thing has been seeing you all encourage each other, motivate each other, pushing each other. And we love when you leave us comments and tag us. Reading all of those things helps us to make these challenges better in the future. But it's also really nice to see all of your guys' hard work. It's really inspiring, not only to us, but to everyone around you as well. So communicate with us, comment, let us know how you're doing throughout the workout. We can't wait to see all of your guys' hard work.
You know how we do.
We're playing no game.
We're gonna eat it up.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's get it.
So again, the sign up link is live right now.
Let's get it.
And the last day to sign up is July 31st. So share this with your mom, your dad, your cousin,
your
dog,
uncle. Don't matter.
All the people you want to work out with you.
Yes.
Get them signed up with you and let's get this thing going. Again, this is gonna be our most fun challenge yet. We cannot wait. So get all your friends involved and let's have some fun with this thing. Let's get it going.